So this is the first opening that we have, which is security analyst, and it's a IT department for the pause here. There is one positions they are hiring for. It's a remote job, Pune or Ahmedabad. 5+ years of experience is required, and this is a mail ID and this is a contact number. If you want to apply, you can just drop a mail to their resume your mail, send your resume to this mail ID, and if you are not getting response, just call out this number. Next is someone is hiring for the security analyst SOC. Okay, so SOC के लिए काफी there's a lot of hirings for SOC analyst. If you want to learn about what is SOC, how does it work, then just check out this URL, right? And yes, my GPU is not turned on. Okay, and this is the mail ID on which you need to drop your resume, and along with just write in subject line cybersecurity plus SOC and your name, right? Now next one, so KSA. Okay, location is KSA. And there are multiple positions: L1, L2, L3 in SOC, SIM administration, threat hunter, and threat hunter intelligence. MSH AHBAZ at vaporvm.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume, right? Now the next one is red teaming. There's a job for red teaming, right? And you need to conduct a pen testing on the app, devices, phishing, and all those things. 2.5 years of experience is required. And PowerShell, ethical hacking. Okay, 30 days notice period. Okay, and this is the mail ID on which you need to drop this. Next one is Stickman Cyber Secure. Stickman is hiring, and you can apply for this one. Right. Mail ID is akita.mamrat@stickmancyber.com, right, on which you can drop your resume. Next one is for the ADR. Okay, and this is mail ID aditi.m@sonatasoftwares.com. Then Gurgaon SOC analyst positions, and 2+ years of experience is required, right? And anusi.jan@accountbit.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume. Just check it out. 2+ years of experience is required. And next one, yeah, that's all for it, guys. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please ask. Have a great day. Jai.